Welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a taco salad. Yes, I know this is not Taco Tuesday. Today is Wednesday on the day that I'm recording this, but I had a taste for tacos. So basically it's like a taco salad. So what you'll need for this, we'll show you step by step. It's some meat of your choice. Now with this, you can really switch up the meat. You can make it with seafood, beef, turkey meat, or turkey chicken. That's totally up to you. But I'm using beef. You need you some salsa, some black beans, some refried beans, sour cream chips, and some lettuce. Let me go ahead and turn your skillet on medium high and put your meat in there. Break it apart. Oh, you need 1 pack of taco seasoning. I have the whole thing of taco seasonings. I'm always making it. But you can just use one pack of taco seasoning. So just go ahead and season your meat a little, Mrs. Dash. You know, the regular onion powder, garlic powder, and you're going to use a little bit of seasoning salt because that taco seasoning has it's kind of salty, and you don't want to have it too salty. A little slap your mama. That's about it. In another skillet that I already have out, I'm going to go ahead and put the refried beans in there. You're going to empty the can, but you got to add a little water just to loosen it up. Because you're really just heating this up, because this is already just put a tad bit of water in here. We're going to set this in. And you just cooking this to loosen it up. It's already ready. It's already pre-cooked, so you just ready cooking it. Now, I don't pour out my oil because I like the taco seasoning. Some people do pour out their oil and put a little water. I still do both, so it's totally up to you. Make sure you stir this because you're really loosening this up, the refried beans. Refried beans that's done. I'm gonna put this in a bowl so we can just put it in a bowl or any kind of serving dish. You just set it to the side and wait on your other stuff. So the hamburger meat is done. I'm just pouring just a little bit of water in this, and then you add your pack of taco seasoning and turn it down low and let this cook. Then we're gonna start on the beans. I just put a little bit of water, like I had, just a tad bit of water like I did the other one, and we're gonna add our black beans. We're going to season this just a little bit. Just some seasoning, salt, and onion powder and garlic powder. You don't really need a lot of stuff on there. These beans is already done, so I'm putting them over here on low heat, and I'm really warming them up for real. And I put the extra water in there so the stuff can so it can cook down. So, okay, our taco meat is done. See? So we're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna cook the beans. Once the beans done, we're ready. Oh, whatever cheese you can use, shredded cheese, but I like a salt cheese like that, a melting cheese, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do in a minute. So let me set this to the side. Add this cheese to a bowl. I just put a half a jar in there. Warm this up. Do every 30 seconds so you won't burn the cheese. But I'm gonna do that last when this is done. Okay, the beans are done. Just go ahead and just transfer them to a bowl or your serving dish of your choice and set them to the side. So we're gonna melt this in the microwave, and then we're gonna come back with everything. Okay, we are back. Let's get to layering it. So I use Doritos. You can use wraps, whatever you want to do, but this is a taco salad. So get some Doritos first. Let's get it. Just a classic blend mix. Hold on. Classic blend. So sprinkle your meat. You're going to sprinkle your refried beans. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this part. But this is just like what I like. Your black beans. Your salsa. A lot of people use taco sauce, salsa, whichever one that you prefer. It really don't matter. And here go our cheese. And I just drizzle that just like that up on top. I like a lot of cheese, so don't mind me. And you cannot, and I mean, you cannot eat no tacos without no sour cream. Yes, you can. That's not perfect. Now just sit that right there on the top. And there we go. Voila. Here is my taco salad. Let me come around this way. This dish literally took me 15 minutes to make. This is the most easiest, funnest dish that you can make with your kids. This is a party favorite. A lot of people like this at parties. So this is my taco salad. Well, as you can see, the video cut off out of my control. It stopped and it was noise. I don't know what the heck going on. But you get the picture. So let me know how you make your taco salad. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen, making a taco salad.